Hi, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. So, today I am here again to discuss with you from your subject New Oxford Modern English. And what is our topic today? It is the Musicians of Bremen. The Musicians of Bremen. That is in the chapter number 8 in your book in the page number 67. In this page. So you first open the page. Do you know what is a musician? Who is a musician? Musicians mean who play music or sing, who produce music, who create music. They are called musician. Okay. So we are going to learn about musicians. Of where? From where? Bremen. Bremen is a place. Okay. Bremen is a place. We are going to learn about the musicians of Bremen. But the interesting fact is that the musicians are not people. They are some animals. Okay. And it is a play. What is a play? Play means it is not playing or cricket or football. Play means performing something. Performing in front of some people, audiences. Okay. Let's start. Look. This is the story of a donkey, a dog, a cat and a cock. So, this is a story or play about four musicians, four animals. A donkey, a dog, cat and cock. You can read the play and then act it out in class. So, unfortunately, you are not in class. So, when the schools will open, we will must perform this in your class. So look here at the characters in the play. Cock, look at the pictures. Cock, dog, cat and donkey. Let's start the story. The story starts from here. A donkey is walking down the road. He looks very sad. So the donkey, our character of the play, this is very sad. Why? Let's look. He is saying, donkey. The capital letter indicates that who is saying? Donkey is saying. What is he saying? Look. Oh dear, I have worked on this farm all my life. Now I must leave. My life is in danger. My master and mistress say I am useless because I am old. I think I will go to Bremen and become a musician. So, what is the reason behind Donkey's sadness? Because he is now old and his master and mistress do not want to keep him. So he has left house. The donkey leaves the farm. Farm means where he lived. He meets a dog. So on the way, donkey meets the dog. Dog says, "Hello, old donkey. Where are you going?" Dog asks the donkey, "Where are you going?" Donkey says, "To Bremen, to become a musician." So donkey answers the dog that he wants to become a musician. So he is going to the Bremen. Next on the page, come to page number 68. Now dog is saying, "What? Can I come too? I am old and cannot work. My master has driven me out." So the sad story is with dog also, because he has grown old and his master does not want to keep him anymore. He has driven him. Donkey says, "Please come along with me." So donkey becomes friend with him and says, "Okay, please, you must come with me." They walk on. So donkey and the dog is walking together till they meet a cat. Now they meet a cat. Look at the picture. Donkey and dog meet the cat. Cat says, "Hello friends, where are you going?" So cat addresses them as friend and asks, "Where are they going?" Donkey says, "To Bremen." Dog says, "We are old and of no use anymore. We are running away. Our owners wanted to kill us." So the dog tells the cat that they are now old, so their owner, they means the dog and donkey, they are now old, so they are going away from home because their owner wants to kill them, do not want to keep them anymore. Cat, my life is in great danger too. I am old and cannot catch any mice for my mistress. Yesterday she said she was going to kill me. So the cat is also old. So the cat says that her master, her mistress was going to kill her because the old cat cannot catch any mice anymore. Donkey says, "Come along with us." So donkey welcomes the cat. So you can come with us. Cat says, "Thank you, I shall." So cat becomes kind and says thank you and says that she will also join them. They walk on till they meet a cock sitting on a gate and crowing. So they are walking on the road and at last they meet the cock. The cock was sitting on a gate and crowing. Crowing means it was making sounds. Donkey, "That's a fine noise." Donkey says that that's a fine noise. We do not feel happy to hear a crow's sound, but donkey feels sound. Donkey feels that it is a good sound. Cock, "Yes, I am lucky I am alive. My master was going to kill me." The cock says that he is very lucky because his master was going to kill him. Dog, "You sing very well." The dog says that you sing very well. So whenever a cock makes sound in the morning, we do not feel so much happy. But donkey and dog likes the sound of the cock. Next, join us and be a musicians too. So now the cat invites the cock that you can also join with us and be a musician because you sing so well. Cock said, "Certainly." Certainly means surely. The four friends walk along the road. It is getting dark, but they are still a long way from Bremen. So it is getting dark, means the sun is not now up to the sky. So evening is coming. It is getting dark, but they are walking. The four friends, who? Donkey, dog, cat, and cock, they are walking through the road. And they are going and going, but the path does not end. And it is getting dark now, and they are far away from women till now. So what happens next? We will read in the next day, because we will read about them, what happens to them, if they can go to the Bremen or not, and if they can be a musician or not. We will learn about that in the next class. Till then, you must read this part well and understand it well. And you can also make it amazing, make it funny by reading this and making sounds of imitating sounds of these animals. You can do this. Okay, you can share this text with your brother or sister and read the story, and I hope you will enjoy the text and must read the tough spellings and learn them. Next day we will read the next part. So till then, I take your leave. You take care. Stay safely at home. Okay, dear students. Bye for now. Thank you.